Hello and welcome to Penrith. Now, if you're not familiar with Penrith, it really is a charming town that sits in Cumbria. Not only is it close to the M6, the A66, it really is just a stone's throw away from the beautiful Lake District. So it really is in such a wonderful location. Now, Penrith itself is a wonderful town with a vibrant high street with lots of pubs, wonderful restaurants, cafes. It also has great schools. So if you have a family, it's a wonderful town to bring a family up in. Now, the property that we've come to see today is just behind me here. It's a 2-bedroom terrace property, and it will be perfect if you're a first-time buyer or if you're looking to buy to rent out, because actually there's such a high demand for rental properties in Penrith and not enough stock. So it really would be a great investment for someone. Let's go and have a look at this property because it's absolutely stunning inside. But before we do that, actually, let's have a little look at the street view. One moment. So this is the street view. So it's actually on a quiet cul-de-sac. So actually, if you go up here, it's a dead end, which makes this area super, super quiet. You've actually got a school just up that way here. And then if we turn this way, you're only a few moments away from the town centre itself, and also a supermarket nearby. And this is the wonderful property that we've come to see today. As you can see, it's got ample parking, and it really is in a wonderful location. As I said, it's right close to the town centre, but it's quiet enough to make you feel like you're not on top of it. Let's go and have a look. Right, I'm so excited to show you this property. Before we head in, I absolutely love this door. So it's a really great welcome, isn't it, before you even enter the property. And it does continue throughout because this is really a wonderful, wonderful home. Now, before we go into the living room just there, we have got a small hallway here with the stairs that lead you to the first floor. And then you've got this fabulous living room. It's in really, really good condition. You've got those beautiful wooden floors just there. A wonderful big window that just floods in the room with natural light. And as I said, it's a really good size. I'll take you from this side. It is a property where you could just move into it. As I said, it would be fantastic for a first-time buyer or even an investor. So you've got this wonderful kitchen through here. It's in really good condition. As you can see, lots and lots of storage. You've even got another room there for more storage. And you've got these 2 wonderful windows that look out to the garden there. And it's in really, really good condition, as you can see. You could even probably fit a small table and chairs just there. And then we'll go through to the first floor. I love this wooden panelling just here, isn't that wonderful? So we've got 2 bedrooms up here. So the first one that I'm going to show you is the smaller of the 2. And it's this room here. So again, it's a good size. You could easily fit a single bed in this room with a wardrobe. And then the window there just looks out onto your garden there. It's a really, really quiet area because it is a cul-de-sac, so there's not much, passing traffic, even though you're literally walking distance into the town centre. It feels incredibly quiet, but of course it's really conveniently located. So this is the bathroom. Straight ahead there is just more storage. And then you've got the shower, toilet, and the sink, of course, with a wonderful window there. And then we come back onto the landing. And then we've got this fabulous master bedroom. Now, if I take you round, because the best part of this room is what you're about to see. As you can see, you can quite easily fit a double bed in this room, but they've really utilised the space because you've got all that built-in storage, which is absolutely wonderful. And then you've got this fabulous window here that just looks out to the street, which I said is incredibly quiet. You can actually hear the birds singing as I speak. So that's it for the first, or for the house. Let's go and have a little look at the garden. So you'll remember this room from earlier on in the video. This is just a kitchen with this door that leads you on to this fabulous garden. So you've got this raised decking area, which would be absolutely perfect in the summer. You could get some table and chairs out here. It'll be quite delightful to sit out in. But the best part is this building straight ahead. Now, if I take you down, the first door that you're going to see just offers some extra storage just there. But my favourite part is through this door here, which is absolutely spectacular, and you wouldn't have expected it. Look at this. This is incredible. Now, this could be made into anything that you please. You've got a beautiful wood burning stove just straight ahead. You've even got a sink just in the corner, if I just show you here. So you could actually quite easily have this as a third bedroom, a gym, an office, pretty much anything you would like. It is brand new. So it's a wonderful addition to the house, and I absolutely think it's brilliant. So as we come through these doors here, got these beautiful flowers just to the side here. You've got a gate that will take you to the street just behind us, and then you've got more storage here. So actually you do have a lot of space to this garden. It's absolutely wonderful. Right, so there you have it. Okay, so if you would like to see this wonderful property in Penrith, just a stone throw away from the Lake District, please do not hesitate to contact our Penrith office. Bye-bye now.